Hello there, and welcome to the ColorPhi channel. This video will show you how to use the just-released alpha version of the ColorPhi Player. You won't need to install anything. Just open any browser on your desktop, tablet, or mobile phone, and then type in the blue server. You will not have to sign up, but you must have a Google account to ensure you are a human. Once logged in, you will come to the photosensitivity notice. It's important to use caution or not use the app at all if you've had prior issues with light or seizures. ColorPhi uses bright and flashing animations, which could be disruptive. If you're ready, click the button to go to the ColorPhi Player. You can move the image on the canvas with your mouse from a click and hold, or with a single finger if you have a touchscreen. Pressing the pause and play button allows you to see the original image and the visual algorithm that is being applied. Clicking the Demos button will bring up the first examples of personalized visual algorithms. Adjust the algorithm speed by moving the slider. Now that you have a demo loaded, you can change images by selecting the Images button. It will keep the last algorithm you used, but change what is being displayed. Scroll through to make your selection. You can zoom in and out by using the mouse scroll wheel, or if you have a touchpad or touchscreen, you can pinch and zoom. Let's choose another demo by clicking the Demos button. ColorPhi will one day help people fly airplanes. Let's push play on the default algorithm. You can see how the reds, and only the reds, are vastly emphasized. Select different red algorithms in the preset list to change how reds are displayed. Try selecting different red, green, and blue algorithms. Finally, let's find the right bananas. This is often a difficult task with those that suffer from colorblindness or color vision deficiency. Well, not any longer. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy ColorPhi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.